Okay, so for today guys, we're gonna cook some spaghetti. So now we're going to go to Pure Gold to buy some stuff. Right.
Sa akin yung susi ah.
Miel, can you...
Grabe naman sa pants ko, parang sana nilublog mo na lang sa putikan.
It's too big for me. So awkward.
Ba't may mga pants sila?
So diba?
每次都想装作很倔强。
Photochromic. Photochromic ka tayo.
There's such a thing guys. Comment down below. Comment down below. So redundant. It's comment down or comment below. So that is Pure Gold Malolos, where we buy our stuff. Some very good stuff.
Di po yan yung sentro mo lahat. Ito po yun.
Centro Mall, Centobol. So here we are. I don't know where now is.
Mas mura pa yung white onion kaysa sa red.
We only need one. Get a ginormous one. Oh, oh my god. So kupad, namimili lang naman ng onions. So shy guys.
Ito yung ginagawa. Ay, dito may kailangan tayo dito.
Bell peppers guys. I love spaghetti with bell peppers.
Mahal.
So now we're gonna choose some cheese. Masyadong mahal. Oo.
Hidden lang
This
kaya
one
natin.
lang.
Maybe ito.
Hindi rin
62 pesos.
mahal. Mamaya na yun. Tara na.
Let's buy some meat first. Have I even seen in the video? Ay, dito ba yun? Ito ground pork.
Ground pork.
195.
Maybe mas mura yung nandito.
500 grams. Pati mo okay ng 500 grams.
Oo, okay na yun.
Ground pork. 500 grams.
Vendors are shy. Camera shy. Hindi ko alam. Should spaghettis come with hot dogs? Isn't that right? Alam mo, what I can remember, sabi ko gusto ko may hot dog.
Ayun.
Di ba dapat itong onion doon, pinapapresyuhan?
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Oo. Ano to, palengke? So stupid, you guys.
Here po.
38 pesos. Ito, 38 pesos for an onion. We live in an insane economy, you guys. So now we're gonna pay for it.
It's okay. Withdraw naman tayo. Withdraw naman tayo. Okay na. Card payment.
He's gonna pay card because he's rich like that. We got the goods. We're gonna go home now and then we're gonna cook. And then I have to go back to school at like 2 p.m. because we have a film that we're doing for an org. Look at him. You guys, I've been saying this to Miel. Hindi naman sa mababa ang standards or anything. But I really think that Malolos is a really nice city, you guys. Because everything is, you know, accessible. comfortable and convenient. No, I don't have a mic yet, but I'm gonna buy one. Yes, I'm gonna buy one. I'm planning to buy a mic. Super ingay ng traffic. So now we are running back home because may iniwan kami nakasalang sa aming lutuan na pinapakulo ang pasta. So right now, I'm gonna do a haul of the things that we bought. First of all, let there be light. And here. So first, we have this Daily Queso, a really cheap brand of cheese because we're broke. And then 7 pieces of hot dog. 500 grams of ground pork, bell peppers, a huge onion. So that's it. So now, I'm gonna chop some onions and everything else. Have to watch all this process. I'm just gonna do really quick transition in 3, 2, 1. Okay ba? Okay ba yung transition?
No!
So while I'm cutting some garlic, I will yak. Anong pag-uusapan natin? So yun. Big story time. So I have something to yak up. Yung lamp na yan, nakikita niyo sa table ko. It's actually Miel. Dinala niya lang from bahay nila. Because yung nabili kong lamp, it did not work. So I had to make a refund. Tapos, dahil sa refund na yun, parang napaisip ako if I really want that lamp. And yung lamp na yun is very, hindi naman pero very pricey for me. It's like 400 plus. Nung nakita ko siya in person, akala ko ano siya, you know yung plug na hindi yung anong tawag doon? Yung hindi USB. Eh ayoko nung ganun kasi hindi siya, wala na akong, I don't have any more adapters. So, itong lamp na to na dinala niya from his home. Hindi na siya ganun. Pero, when I bought that first lamp, nung dumating siya, na I thought, I mean, habang shipping pa rin siya, dun ko napagtanto na ano pala siya, USB nga, USB yung plug niya. So, ang ginawa ko, I ordered an adapter. Kasi parang nawalan ako ng choice na yun yung gagamitin ko. So, I bought an adapter. And ngayon siya dumating kasi it's from China. And I don't have anything to use with it anymore. Ang gagawin ko dun, sayang na ako ng pera. Pero okay lang in the future kasi I'm planning to buy more lamps. So, I don't like that one actually. Wala siyang warm option. Eh kapag gumagamit ako ng light, gusto ko warm. Parang yung normal light box, gusto ko yung warm na parang sisiw, yung ginagamit sa mga sisiw. Yung yellow. I'm thinking nga kung kasi nung pandemic, na-addict ako dun sa mga study with me videos, organize my desk with me. And lagi silang meron nung mushroom lamp and very sikat yun before. Since then, I've been wanting that. Pero before, sobrang mahal niya. Maybe mga nasa 1K. Back then, I don't have that kind of money. Kasi nga, pandemic. I had my own desk setup na before. It's not very aesthetically pleasing. It was just, for modules and stuff. Pero hindi naman, I still want that mushroom lang. Pero, parang mas gusto ko na yung ano, yung parang burger lang. I don't know if that's what it's called. Pero yung like white na basta, it's nice. So, I'm torn between those two. Whether I'm gonna buy yung mushroom or yung ano. Pero, I don't know. Baka nga wala akong feeling kasi I have nice lights naman na. Okay, so now we're done with cooking the spaghetti. Here it is. Very nice, very creamy. Actually, hindi ko pa natitikman, so we're gonna do a taste test. This better taste good sa Facebook and YouTube. So perfect. Thanks to our chef, Willis Me. So, it's actually me who did all of this. I just, you know, did some chopping. So yeah, I'm gonna finish all of this. And then I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Okay, so an hour later, it's already 3:17 p.m. I took a bath. Actually, I rested for a while kaya hindi na wet yung hair ko. But, I'm done with taking a bath. I ate. I'm done with the dishes. Now, I have to focus on my academics. Also, hindi ko na kailangan bumalik ng school kanina because they were already done with the filming and they did not need me anymore. So, tomorrow, I have a quiz in Biochem, second quiz in Biochem. Very easy lang, so I'm going to review for that. And what's next? Oh, I actually only have 2 subjects tomorrow, PCW and Chem. So, ayun. Now, before recording this, I was actually doing my checklist, my physical checklist. This is recording. Nakalala. Physical na checklist ni Zil sa buhay. So, itong checklist ko na to, it's not the type of checklist na organized. So, very like, kung anong feel ko isulat. Like, wala siyang proper organization. Basta, actually, meron pa nga nakasulat dito na bayad utang kay Angela, 10 pesos, di ba? Kasi, tend to forget a lot of things. So, instead of forgetting things, I list down everything and then, actually, the first time that I did this was when school or junior high school. But I'm sure in senior high school, I do this talaga. I already emptied out 2 of these just for my checklists. Or one of my hints in 2026 is that I'm going to be coming back. Okay, this is an academic comeback. I'm gonna come back. So, with how I used to be in school in senior high. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna study for a quiz. I am going to update our research, which I did last night. Kaya I am really lacking of sleep. So probably after I reviewed for my biochem quiz, I am going to sleep after, and then after that I'm going to read a book. Kasi I'm sure na I have other homeworks pa na dapat unahin. I'm not sure kung mag-study na ako sa quiz ko for ECB. Pero schedule yung quiz na yon sa Friday pa. Tapos ano pa, bukas, after ng quiz namin sa Biochem, we'll have a lab. And my group is planning to do 2 experiments na sa loob ng 3 hours na yun. Kasi kapag talaga start ng semester, yung mga experiments or yung mga lab works namin, it's very mababaw, very easy, very back to the basics. So it's very gamay na namin. We're gonna do it tomorrow na, and then get the data and then it done. Actually, I'm busy because the midterms is already, it's actually very far away pa. Pero when it comes to midterm projects, kasi you have to really work on it na as early as you can. Kasi it's not simple. So, yun lang. I don't have anything else to yap about. What I'm gonna do now is I am going to transfer the videos. Ayun pa pala, nakasulat din sa checklist ko na I'm going to upload na sa drive ng Biotalks yung mga videos na record kanina, kasi cameraman kasi ako dun sa filmmaking na whatever or shit na yan. So, or whatever. It was fun, actually. It was fun. Fun in a sense na I got to work with people na I'm not really interacting with before. Kahit na second year ko na sa school na to. I was with 2 of my classmates and then 1 from the other section. He was actually pretty nice. So, they were pretty nice. So, ayun. Small win for me. I was not awkward. So, I thought I was gonna be, but, college grows on trees. I'm not, this is my first time vlogging, and I'm hoping na this is not gonna be the last time. Kasi I'm trying to really make memories this 2026. Yeah. So that's it. Goodbye. So update, I am currently studying for a quiz for ECB. So I just took a bath. Actually, nag-start na ako kanina pang afternoon after I took a nap. Kasi what we did kanina sa school is first, ECW, I did not really care kung ano nangyari sa subject na yun kanina. I was really out of it. And for biochem, ang ginawa namin is we had a quiz which I reviewed for kahapon. I did well. I think I did well. It was not really hard. So I think and I hope that it went well. And after that, for the next 2 hours, ang ginawa naman namin is lab. As we plan, 2 experiments yung nagawa namin. And yun, nothing really much happened today. It was not draining. So now I'm gonna continue studying for this. Ito lang yung agenda ko for tonight. Pero I'm sure na after ng discussion namin sa microbiology tomorrow, may quiz siya. So yeah.
white chocolate, but instead of being covered in chocolate, it's wrapped with marshmallow. So most mornings, actually during school as well, most mornings I read